Absolutely bizarre, but at the same time, as shocking as it gets, that so many families put their loved ones' lives in this man's hands, as we do very often in hospitals with doctors. It turned out he's a complete fraud, had made up his entire identity, claimed to be a cardiologist from the UK, and currently is absconding. Amritanshi Joshi is getting us those updates. Amritanshi, from my conversation with Dr. Bagai, it's very clear that the hospital too must be held accountable. Is that happening in the investigation? Are the cops also looking into the hospital's role? Because reportedly, they covered up the crime.
Surely, because this was a mission hospital and many patients on the daily basis come to these hospitals. They are registered. Also, whenever a doctor comes, he takes the oath to save the life of the people. Now, the relatives of the people who have lost their loved ones are asking the hospital itself that why have they kept such doctors who are doing such frauds with the life of the patients. And also, the probe has been launched because the person, the accused, Naren Yadav, is missing right now. The police is investigating the matter. Also, collector has given this investigation in the hands of a district health officer and also the CMHO, who are investigating regarding what the hospital did when they took this doctor into the accountability, because he was in the OTs, he was doing the operations which are very critical and also playing with the life of the patients. He performed 15 surgeries and he claimed to be a renowned doctor from who is based in UK. Why it was not cross-checked by the hospital? Was the official documents of this doctor were not taken by the hospital? Is this hospital constantly doing the sheer negligence regarding the doctors who are already working, or specifically not only these doctors who this doctor who was performing the heart surgery, but other doctors also? The probe has been launched. They are investigating the matter right now. The first and the foremost thing which the police is doing is that to find this accused person, because this is sheer negligence, and also because this complaint was lodged in National Human Rights Commission.
How did this negligence, how did this entire incident come to light? Because we understand these surgeries were performed months ago in January and February.
So there were sudden deaths in the hospital, and these deaths were linked to specifically the cases which with the people who were coming with the complaint of heart attacks or other gas problems which are related to somehow heart surgeries. Now these deaths were seen between December 2024 till February 2025, because there were deaths in a line, and specifically they were related to this people who were having heart problems. There was a resident there, Narendra Tiwari, who reported that he is an RTI activist. He launched a complaint in the NHRC. When the probe was launched, when it was the matter was investigated, it came into the light that this person, he claimed to be a cardiologist, though he was not a cardiologist, but he was using the name of a renowned cardiologist from UK, who was based in UK. He also claimed that he returned from UK. He was performing these heart surgeries which were critical. He was in the OTs, he was in the hospital. He was daily coming to the hospitals and taking all the OTs, operation rooms, and also performing these surgeries. Then this matter came into the light. Right now, it has been claimed that 7 people have lost their life in these 15 heart surgeries, but the district health officer and the CMHO have claimed that 2 people have died. They have confirmed 2 deaths, but because the probe is going on, it will be investigated further also. But this is sheer negligence from the hospital itself, and also if because the probe is launched right now, hospital will also be held accountable that why they didn't cross-check about the documents or the person who was claiming to be the doctor as a cardiologist who was based in UK. Yeah, back to you, Anshika.
The complainant here is alleged that the hospital actually covered up the 7 deaths that had taken place, that they failed to actually inform the police when these deaths had taken place. So there will be a big question mark on whether the hospital knew that they're in trouble, knew that they had someone at this point who in fact was a fraudster. They had him in their midst, they didn't do their checks, and so because of that, so many deaths were reported. The onus is very much on the hospital, as it is on this fraudster who you see on your screens, who claimed to be Dr. Khem, a renowned cardiologist from the UK, but turns out he was actually Narendra Vikramaditya Yadav, fooling everyone, scamming everyone in the hospital. Let's get you some of the reactions that have come in on the story.
दमोह के मिशन अस्पताल में एक डॉक्टर NKM जॉन नाम से एक आए थे। उनके नाम से एक लंदन में डॉक्टर हैं, वो रियल डॉक्टर हैं। उनके नाम का दुरुपयोग करते हुए यहाँ पे ये काम कर रहा था। अपने आप को NKM जॉन बता रहा था, जबकि इसका नाम नरेंद्र यादव है। और कार्डियक डिपार्टमेंट का ये अपने आप को डॉक्टर बता रहा था, उसका विशेषज्ञ बता रहा था। और यहाँ पे इसने जितने भी पेशेंट्स देखे हैं 12-15 और जितने भी ऑपरेशन किए वो सारे के सारे डेथ हुई हैं। इस प्रकार से इसने डिग्री ना होते हुए भी शल्य क्रिया की है हृदय रोग की, जो एक अपने आप में गंभीर मामला है।
देखिए, मिशनरी द्वारा संचालित एक अस्पताल से संबंधित शिकायत जो है वो वरिष्ठ कार्यालय पर प्राप्त हुई है और उसमें जो है अग्रिम कार्रवाई की जा रही है। पुलिस के अधिकार क्षेत्र से संबंधित जो बिंदु होंगे उस पर यदि वरिष्ठ कार्यालय से निर्देश प्राप्त होंगे तो हम उस पर आवश्यक जांच कार्रवाई करेंगे। शिकायत आवेदन वरिष्ठ कार्यालय स्तर पर जो है अभी जांच में है।
इस मामले में मैं इतना ही कहूँगा कि अभी जांच प्रचलित है और इसलिए इसके अलावा मैं और कोई कमेंट इस पर नहीं करना चाहूँगा।
मध्य प्रदेश के दमोह से शिकायत प्राप्त हुई थी कि एक मिशनरी के अस्पताल में नकली डॉक्टर ने हृदय रोग संबंधी सर्जरी करके कई लोगों की जान ले ली। और इसमें ये भी बताया गया कि ये मिशन का जो अस्पताल है ये आयुष्मान भारत योजना के अंतर्गत आच्छादित होने के कारण सरकार से पैसे भी इन चिकित्सा सुविधाओं के बदले ले रहा था। ये अपने आप में गंभीर प्रकृति की शिकायत है। आयोग इसमें संज्ञान ले रहा है और आगे कार्रवाई संपादित की जा रही है।
Let's bring in our health editor Sneha Murdani for the latest updates that are coming in on this. Sneha, it's shocking really that something like this could happen. Here's a man, Narendra Vikramaditya Yadav, who claimed to be Dr. Kem, a renowned cardiologist in the UK, impersonated him and then performed 15 surgeries. 7 people died. And this is something that's a rampant problem in India. The problem of fake doctors, quacks, it goes on and on.
Yes, absolutely, Akshita. Just to give you a mind-boggling figure, and this is from the Indian Medical Association, 10 lakh quacks operating in the country. So these are doctors who are not so-called doctors, who are not qualified but are practicing as doctors. You know, in any case, in any hospital, if there are more than, if there's more than one death involving a cardiologist or a cardiac surgery, the hospital would raise this issue. The doctor by himself would be looking at it. In this case, there were 7 deaths, but the hospital did nothing about it. Just speaks volumes of how deep this rot really runs. The Medical Association has been alarmed by this, the Indian Medical Association, because these are just official figures. There are so many people who would be practicing or certified as homeopaths or as Ayurvedic practitioners, but they themselves are, carrying out practices like surgery under allopathy, which is actually not allowed. So that is another level of quackery altogether, when you're not certified to practice allopathy, but you're doing it, and that's a rampant problem in the country. It also has got to do with the fact that the doctor-patient ratio in our country is very poor. We know the kind of accessibility that government hospitals have. So as far as the access to quality healthcare is concerned, it's a big problem in the country, and that's the reason why quacks like this so-called Dr. Kem or Narendra Vikramaditya Yadav have managed to flourish for years together without coming into notice. But questions being raised on how the hospital kept quiet, and only after just so many deaths were reported was the alarm raised by the complainant who came forward, Akshita.
What's the protocol that's to be followed in these kind of cases, Neha? There are questions being asked right now of the hospital of how they didn't do adequate checks clearly on this man who claimed to be Dr. Kem. What's the protocol procedure to be followed by a hospital usually to verify every professional who enters the system?
To begin with, if it, for a moment I were to think that the hospital was not hand in glove with this doctor, the fact that 7 patients died when one doctor was carrying out so many surgeries would have been enough reason for the hospital to panic and then check the credentials. That they did not do it just raises the question or leaves this question very open on whether the hospital was hand in glove and knew. Portrayal of so-called star doctors, the fact that he came from the UK and he's practicing here in a hospital in Damo.